We sharing at the Sheridan, cause sharing is caring, and Karen is staring at me. I know she feeling embarrassed. Grab her by the neck, say bitch don't ever disrespect me. Part the Mac 11 if your soul is feeling empty. Not so much my enemies, but more so my fans I do envy. Yeah, these hoes starting to frenzy. My dick is feeling so flimsy, I could barely keep up with a B cup. See, I ain't bring my A game, can you keep up? Fuck what you heard, piss on your dirt. Put in that work like private school girls in the first grade. They county born and raised out the 305 with hookers, stick and job with pocket knives. Win the battle, lose your life. Fuck your wife in my rusty pickup truck. The same kids you hanging with, the same ones yelling stick 'em up. I could resurrect you, I could pick you up out the mud, put you on the sun, show you all the ropes, show you how that money goes. I can show you how to fuck your bitch. I can show you how to rip that condom off your dick and smack your mama in the lip. Let the children know it's it. Drop out of school, you know you never had that on your bucket list. I can show you which way you should go. Never listen to your parents, trust me, they don't fucking know what's best for you like I do. Hey, you think I give a fuck about your IQ? Your mama thinking you stupid because you bringing in naps, giving the stress, and a couple knots in the chest. Nobody appreciate that you've been trying your best. I can show you how to give up and just hang for your neck. Your stepdaddy looking for your respect. I say fuck that, don't give it to him. Fuck him in this rep, I know he getting on your nerves. Coming home drunk as fuck, beating on you and your mama. I say put one in that llama and spit all him while he sleeping. Put a needle in his vein so the police think he was tweaking. Tell your mama you was gone the whole weekend. Throw away the pistol, make sure nobody could reach it. Your life is better, ain't it? Told you that you need me. I can show you how to be the man. I can show you how to make your body count expand. I can show you how to multiply your profits, your pockets, your hoes. Follow me and I promise.